So, I don't know if you've been watching our unboxing films, but we got a collection of random miscellanea. Some of it was amazing, but some of it we didn't really know what to do with. But we've decided that in our Christmas box room that we will primitivise, as that's a word, and try to make it look a bit like this rabbit that I have. That's the sort of vibe that we're going for, so let's see if that works.
To put under the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll start by rubbing it down.
So the face is gone, which is really sad, but we're going to
he's going to repaint another face, yeah.
And it was broken, so we've had to glue it back together, so I don't feel too bad about you completely destroying it.
He's going to have a new face.
Okay.
Glasses. Texture. Oh, let's keep moving. Okay, I've given him eyes and some wings. Now I think I'm going to turn the wheels green. I think the wheels need to be green. I think it looks like this. I've had the addition of a piece of old leather that I've aged up and bent and rubbed down a bit. Pull them along. I got to stop adding to it. Now he's got a little scarf.
So to go with Mum's lovely revamped duck, we are going to wrap up some tiny presents and turn some mini tiles into presents for under the tree. We recently had a parcel that came with all of these polystyrene cubes, so I'm going to turn these polystyrene cubes into tiny presents. And I've already done one to see if it works, and it looks like this.
Very cute.
Yes, so we're going to wrap some with the newspaper. So, pick a shape. Should I try and do a round one, like it's a ball?
That means you have to cut the polystyrene.
Yeah, carve it into
You might as well wrap a marble.
That would be easier, wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
that would be much easier. We have a lot of marbles.
Okay, well you get a shape. I'll wrap a sort of busted. Is that cod marble too big?
Well, not for a ball.
Cool. Okay.
Just go square.
That's quite big, isn't
Is
it?
that a big square? That's a big box.
Maybe that, if we cut. It's not quite square.
Cut it in half.
Book. Because the square ones are going to be the tiles, aren't they?
Okay.
Penny pool result.
Use this man's face.
Oh. Detective. We could use the other side.
Yeah, I mean that the greyhound. That's quite a nice font, isn't it?
Oh, it is. I'm going to use... I need quite a big-ish bit for my ring. Ring? Oh.
Stop taking tablets. Fossila, sir.
Faisala?
Faisala, sir.
Fistula? Fistola?
For your blood.
Ooh. Of all chemists and family size. Right.
Sorry. Distracted again by reading the newspaper.
I know, it's impossible not to. So, let us... How... I don't really know how to wrap a ball shape nicely. There's probably a trick to it, isn't there?
Well, you get the way I've always wrapped a ball is literally have like a round piece of paper or a square piece of paper, just gather it up and put a little bow on top. I'm not sure how
Gathering a... how...
a 100-year-old piece of newspaper will be.
No.
Well, it's not quite 190-year-old piece of newspaper. You need it to be bigger.
I might just I'll just do that.
Okay.
Don't have any sellotape, do we? Just use glue, I suppose. Hackney Wick.
1936. Maybe it should just be in. I don't know.
Try and make with this strip here. Oh, it's the star. This black strip here. I'm going to try and make a bow.
Still trying to decide what I'm going to wrap mine up in. Oh, I quite like that piece.
Ooh, the stripes. That's nice. How do I do this?
And it's Gordon's gin.
Oh, lovely.
It's good Christmassy.
So there's a ball for Bernie or anything.
Oh.
Where did I put it? Sorry, my fingers are orange. It's from doing
Another craft.
yesterday. No, 2 days from the fireplace. How many days ago that was?
Yeah, we're just doing it all.
Yeah. Yes.
It's different to yours because I haven't used the newspaper.
Yeah. No, but it's cute.
Maybe
It needs something, doesn't it?
I'll be
Nice. Here you go. Where are all our tiny tiles?
They are in the doll's house boxes.
This doll's house box.
That doll's house box or the other doll's house box.
I don't think anyone ever would look at that and say, "Oh, that's a doll's house box."
It is. Anything might be. Here it
Those
goes.
tiles are a bit big. Where's the one that we made? The tile present we made
Could
last
be
year.
in the other doll's house box.
What other doll's house box?
There's another box. That's the small things for dolls' houses. You have to keep them separate.
Ah, here we go. Lots of white presents.
That was green.
How many presents?
That'll be one for everyone.
Oh goodness.
How many people? How many dolls are in our universe at the moment?
I don't know. Why is that not closing?
Oh.
Maybe we'll just do these coloured ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
With the duck
with
as
the
well.
duck, yeah.
But hey, we've got to put them back in the doll's house. That way things get lost.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the bow's difficult, isn't it?
Oh, I wasn't necessarily going to do a bow.
Oh.
I could barely do a knot. So what am I doing? Putting a bow in it then?
You don't have to. Nice. Where's your duck? Cute. So there are the Christmas presents under the tree. I think we need some mood lighting for the room.
Maybe. How should we do that?
I don't know. I'll think about it.
Okay.
Have to get it ready for the last day of Minimus.
Like
Extra
a little lamp
cozy.
or something.
Something. Make it extra cozy.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are the presents. It's just filling out the room a little bit. Tomorrow is paper decorations, which should
Paper.
Christmasify the room a bit
A
more.
little bit more, yeah.
So hope you're having a wonderful December. Thank you everyone for all of your comments throughout Minimus. It's really lovely to be able to sort of semi-speak to you all day, but we aren't going to be able to
Answer all the
all of
comments.
them.
I'm
So-
answering the questions.
Yes. But we do appreciate every single one of the comments. So thank you for everything, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. December 5th of Advent. Taking all the scissors away. That's okay. I've got it. What do we think it is?
Mhm.
Trying to do it on the phone camera.
Yeah, our cameras are both broken.
Yes, but we have new. Oh,
New one's coming. Oh, are they like roses?
oh, the little baskets. Wow.
Let's put one on the windowsill right away.
Yellow or purple, pink.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Oh.
Goodness, my hands are so cold.
Oh.
Oh, look. We'll put a close up. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to put this one in the doll's house study for now. Oh, wow. It's so exciting every day. So thank you again, Fairy Acorn. And we'll get tomorrow.
Oh, I don't know.